What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to create a guest user account in Windows 10. As we all know, the guest user account is no more available in Windows 10, but in this video I'll show you how you can create a guest user account in Windows 10 by using simple commands. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. So now let's talk about the options you have to select. Simply click on this search option, or either you can click on the start option if you do not have this search option in the bottom bar, and type in here CMD. You will see command prompt in here. Select run as administrator, click yes. Now here you have to type a command. Just simply type a command net user visitor. Make sure you have to give a space after net and after user. Here we are using the visitor as a name of the account, which you can change as per your need, and make sure you do not use the guest because it's a reserved name by the Windows 10. So I'm gonna change the visitor to Mike. So let's say Mike is asking me to create a guest user account for him, so I'm creating a guest user account for Mike. After this, give a space, / add, give a space, / active, semicolon, yes. Press enter. You can see it says the command completed successfully. After typing this command, there is another command you have to enter in here to set up a password for your guest account. Type net, give a space, user, give a space, visitor. As I told you, the visitor is the name of the account, so we have set up Mike as an account, so we are gonna type Mike in here and then give a space and press star and press enter. Here you can see type a password for the user. So if we'll simply press the enter key on our keyboard, then we'll leave the password as it blank. We do not have to set up a password, as we do not want to set up any password for our guest, so that they can simply press enter and log into the account. So let's press enter. Again press enter. Alright, the command completed successfully. That's what we want to set up. Now we have to remove this account from the local group. So what we simply have to type in here, we have to add this account to the guest group. So we have to remove this account from the local group first. So what you have to do, type net, give a space, local group, give a space, users, give a space. As we have the name of our account as in Mike, so we're gonna type the Mike in here. Make sure you type the correct name as you have entered on the first place, as the Mike M in the capital, so you have to make sure you'll type the M as in capital in here as well. Give a space, / delete, press enter. Alright, the command completed successfully. Now we have to add this account to the guest group, so we have to type in here net, give a space, local group, give a space, guest, it's guests, there is a S after guest, give a space, type the name of the account, which is Mike, give a space, / add, press enter. Alright, this is also successfully completed. Now I would like to tell you here, if you'll search for these commands, then you'll see this information which we have typed in here as in Mike. You're gonna see this information as in visitor. So if you'll see the visitor in here, so make sure you are changing the name as visitor to something else like Mike, James, Thomas, anything like that, and that will be the name of your guest account. If I'll click on this option, you can see the Mike is here. Once I'll select Mike, I can access guest user account. So I do not want to go in it, as I created this account for Mike, so I just want to leave it as it is. If I want to delete this guest user account, then I simply have to click on this Windows icon, click on the settings. Here you can see the accounts, click on it. Go to the family and other users. Here you can see the Mike as a local account, the local group of both accounts. We can do it in different way as well, but here we have done it with the use of command prompt, so we do not have to go for the other options. If you're looking to delete this account, then you can click on it and you can remove this account from here. So you simply click on delete account and data. So that's how you can delete the guest user account from your Windows 10. And the commands which I have shown, all the commands are mentioned in the description, so you can check it out and you can copy paste all of the command and make sure you type the correct command, because I'm not gonna leave the Mike in there. I'm gonna type it as it is, visitor. You have to make sure you change the visitor to the name of the user account. Alright, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.